Hello, my name is Jessica Columbus of Team 9, the Ground to CubeSat Optical Communication Senior Design Project. Our aim is to identify the viability of on-off keying modulation via a field programmable gate array for use in optical ground-to-space communication with the use of low-cost off-the-shelf hardware. Forward error correction will be used to test the validity of the project, while interleaving will be needed to take into account environmental effects simulated by a modulator. My role has been in researching previous work in this area and qualifying the reason behind why this project has both value and merit. Currently, the most frequently used form of space communications are radio frequencies originating from large satellites, but those are not ideal in all circumstances. In countries that are lacking in infrastructure, these satellites are the only option for data transmission, but they have slow upload and download rates and are easily jammed because of their wide field view. Laser communication from CubeSats, which are low-cost, small, and readily available, offers 50 times the communication speed from smaller targets. For military, academic, and commercial purposes, developing and improving optical communication from CubeSats is highly useful and desirable. In the next phase of the project, I will be assisting in using the Xilinx software, such as the Reed-Solomon encoder, to collate data and error correct to achieve an optimal bit error rate. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Tamada Raman, and I have been researching atmospheric lensing and scintillation. I've also been working on the facilities and team capabilities for the proposal and presentation. And I've also worked on the presentation and executive summary and conclusion for the proposal. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Heath Casey. I've been working on researching different modulation techniques for coherent light optical communications. The main method we plan on using for this project is on-off keying, which is a specific type of amplitude shift keying. I've also been researching techniques for converting list of random binary integer sources into a binary signal that can be transmitted using the on-off keying modulation. I've also worked on several parts of the scheduling for the Gantt chart, different parts of the proposals. I've done introductions, worked a little bit on the letter of transmittal, and it's been a pretty interesting project. I've learned quite a bit about how the different atmospheric conditions can dramatically decrease the power signal from the ground to satellite communications using lasers. Some of the interesting things that I didn't realize is the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere can affect the scintillation of the laser beam that's shooting up to the satellite. I didn't realize that. I thought mainly it was like dust and clouds, but it's actually on the atomic level that can cause interference. The next part of the presentation is going to be Ted Misaki. He couldn't be here tonight, but he pre-recorded a message for this last video presentation, and I will play that now.
Hello, I'm Ted Misaki, and since the last video report, I have been working heavily on the schedule, budget, and parts procurement for our project. Most of the hardware is in, and we're ready to begin building stuff. My plans for the future are to be the hands-on guy in the lab. Due to the online nature of our team, I'm going to be the only person able to manipulate hardware. And also continue to support data collection and report generation. Thank you.
And that's it for our video presentation. Looking forward to working on the project again in the spring. Anybody else have any closing statements? All right, thank you.